Hey everybody! Today we're going to be making the cover for our folded book. The materials we'll need for this project are scissors, our folded book, some ribbon, pencil, and our book cover paper. Let's start by folding the book cover. So let's start by folding the cover in half long ways, and then we're going to place the center of our spine on the cover of the book. And we'll mark off the edges of the book so that we can know what the space is for folding it. So start by marking off that area where the book is going to be, and then you can know that to fold your paper inwards for that front cover, and then for the back cover as well. And the next part, we're not going to fold it too hard, but the next part, you're going to fold it just a bit on the edges. So this will create a little slip for our ends to go into, and then the book will stay in place. So we can fold that down just to kind of get it all even, and then you just slip the front book into the pocket that's created, and then the back one, and there you go. There is your book cover. But we're going to jazz this one up just a little bit. We're going to add a bit of ribbon so that we can close it, and also little slots to put a pencil in. Okay, so we're going to take the book cover out, and now we're going to fold and cut a little slit in the front and then in the back. And then we'll take a bit of string. Now the string that I'm using or ribbon that I'm using, I made it so it was about 1.5 lengths of this book cover. And then I just slip it through the back notch and then the front notch. And then I can make it even. So now I'm going to fold that front pocket forward and cut 4 small notches. And this is going to be where I'm going to place my pencil, and then I can slip my book back into those little pockets, and there you have it. There is your folded book cover. You can tie it up, it'll stay closed, and there we go. So now I'm going to just slip my little pencil in there in my little slots, and it'll stay nice and snug there. And then I'm going to make a label for it, and I'm going to be using just a label maker, but you can do this any way you like. So I'm just rotating it to each letter for what I'm going to spell out. It's going to say my journal. So you press hard on the handle and it creates an imprint of the letters, and when you want it to make a space, you just gently press it. And then on the back there's a little lever that you pull and press and cuts the tape for you. And then there's a sticky back to it, so you have to peel off the plastic there, and then you just stick it on the front. You can add stickers or any other kind of fanciness to it. But there you have it. There's a book cover for your folded book. As always, have fun and be creative.